Alright guys, we got Amtrak train. We have Amtrak train number 6, eastbound California Zephyr, heading here in Roseville, California. I was gonna get the California Zephyr to have the Siemens Chargers locomotive on it, but I was delayed. I couldn't even make it. So anyway, here comes Amtrak train number 6, eastbound California Zephyr. All right, here we go. '27, 157, train. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nate, I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you when the other train comes. Take it easy, alright? Later. Peace.